Now let's look at how you can add an adjustment to your invoice. Find the contract that you want to add the adjustment to and click to open it. Here you'll see the Adjust button. Click on it and then select the type of adjustment. Enter the amount, confirm the date of the expense, and you have the option to add a reason for your expense. You can make this adjustment recurring by toggling this button on, off here. And lastly, you can attach a file such as receipt. When you're done, click Adjust Amount. You'll see the adjustment show up here under Invoice Details. If you made a mistake, you can always click on the Delete button. Click Yes, Remove, and then it's removed.